If your list hasn't grown in months, you need to try a quiz. On average, quizzes convert at 40% compared to the 10 to 15% that's typical for a landing page. If you're going to implement this strategy, Interact is the platform of choice for online marketing experts like Jenna Kutcher, Amy Porterfield, Harley Jordan, and Candace Coppola, just to name a few. Today, I'm going to walk you through the platform and stick to the end to see their newest feature release. Without further ado, let's hop in. Thanks so much to Interact for sponsoring this video. To get started, visit tryinteract.com. After you log in, Interact surfaces relevant templates to help you get started. You can clone a template or build from scratch. Ultimately, templates will give you a good starting point and save you time. Edit the title, description, and cover image to start designing your quiz. You can search, upload an image, or paste a URL. Now, this is the first impression of your quiz, so take your time making sure this will pique enough interest that people will want to progress through your quiz. Branding and style. Your quiz does not exist in isolation. It should look like a part of your overall visual brand. Select your brand colors via hex code in the style pane. Choose from the Google fonts provided, and don't forget to upload your logo. Quiz questions. Click any question to edit and add or remove answers freely. You can also opt to use image answers instead of text to mix things up. And you can add a little nuance by allowing multiple answer selections. Each of your answers maps to a result for personality quizzes. You can add branching logic for more advanced flows, and there's a built-in tutorial provided that simplifies that process. Add as many questions as you need from the sidebar, but don't overwhelm your quiz takers. We did a STAR student workshop about quiz strategy with Kayla Hollatz. If you'd like to check that out for a refresher, I've linked to that in the description. You just have to be a channel member to watch the replay. Results and lead capture. Each quiz result has a title, description, and optional image. Customize your results and then think through where you want to send traffic after they receive their results. You can lead them to an external URL like a landing page or a YouTube video. Plus, you can capture leads directly in Interact. Toggle on collect emails if your goal is to use quizzes to grow your list. You can choose the contact fields like first name, last name, and email address, or you can opt to make custom fields to learn more about your quiz taker. Under settings, you can allow skip or require opt-in, add a GDPR consent checkbox, and privacy policy link. You can fully edit your form content, so feel free to make it your own. Integrations. With the many direct integration options Interact provides, you probably won't need a Zap to connect it to your email marketing provider. Interact connects with major email platforms like Flowdesk, Kit, MailChimp, MailerLite, and Entreport. Plus, the CSV export option is also available. To view the full list of integrations, visit tryinteract.com/integrations. Sharing and publishing. When you're ready to publish your quiz, you'll have a bunch of options. You can hyperlink to your quiz with a direct link, or link a button on your site to the link for your quiz. You can use an iframe embed, JavaScript, or WordPress plugin to keep your audiences from leaving your site to complete your quiz. You can also use an announcement bar or a pop-up on your site to have multiple touchpoints, especially if this is your signature lead magnet. Many of my friends have had success paying for meta ads and driving traffic to their quizzes to a cold audience as well. So don't forget to consider that as an option if you're ready for paid spend. The only thing I would say is make sure you know the value of an email subscriber, so you can audit your ad performance and decide based on the data if it's worth the financial commitment. Categories quiz, the newest and most powerful quiz type. Most quizzes give one result. A categories quiz gives a result for each area you're measuring, plus one overall result. It's not personality-based, it's a measurement tool. Higher scores means stronger performance. The results page for a categories quiz feels more like a personalized report. The overall result will be at the top, with the breakdown card per category below it. The likelihood that people will share this quiz is significantly higher because of the level of specificity. Coaches and consultants love this new format because it gives clients a diagnostic before they ever get on a call. Service providers find it really useful because it surfaces exactly which services a client needs before the discovery call, which shortens the sales cycle. Finally, course creators find it useful because it helps students know which modules matter most for them. Now, anyone who has a complex offer that's hard to explain in a single sentence can benefit from a category quiz. How to set up your category quiz. You'll want to plan your categories from the very beginning and set them up in the sidebar before adding your questions. 2 questions per category with 4 answer options scored from 4 to 1. Each question gets assigned to a category, and then you assign point values per answer. Set per category result ranges, and then overall result tiers that cover the full score range with no gaps. When you do this correctly, your result page will auto-generate and no manual building will be required for the breakdown cards. Category quiz templates. The ready-to-use category quiz templates are available in gallery format, so you can easily take a look at their structure before building your own. Be sure to take a look before starting from scratch to save yourself time. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. To start your Interact free trial, be sure to visit LaShondaBrown.com/interact and use code BOOTSTRAP to get 50% off your first 3 months. Until next time, ta-ta for now.